Your phone link app on your system is not linking to your phone. And here's a fix. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's the name of the app, phone link right there. Yep. There's your update. Still nothing. Okay, go to enable. Yep. Go to your phone. Now the problem is fixed. You can see that. Your Bluetooth. Yep. You go to your phone. You hit your phone. Switch on your Bluetooth. Yeah, you get the pin. Now go to your phone, hit the pin in, open your phone link app in your Android or your fucking phone. Allow access. Hit tick. Go to pair. Go to connect. Yep, it's connected. Done. Yeah, it's connected. You can see the phone is connected. Now go back to the phone app. Select. Let us close and get back to it. Yep, Android. Select. Yeah. Oh, again, there's another code to your mail. Updates. Hit updates. Yeah, that's the code. Double click, copy it. Control V, paste. You're all set. I'm connected. Hope you guys like it. Hope this fixes your problem, guys. See you in the next one. Yep.